Here's a quick overview of 3 known challenges and ways NDC Exchange can help you address them. 1. Universal message translation. A big technological barrier is all the versions and standards in use, requiring significant resources to connect and maintain. NDC Exchange lets you fly over that barrier with real-time content translation to NDC standards from any schema. 2. Connectivity to industry partners. The problem? You have several hundred travel sellers, but building separate API connections wastes valuable resources. NDC Exchange lets you connect to all your airline partners and points of sale through a single, easy-to-use API. This way, travel sellers can get access to multiple airlines and vice versa. Problem solved. 3. Cross-selling seats and ancillaries. The challenge? Passengers buying interline tickets are often forced to jump to multiple screens to get a full view of product information, like seating and ancillaries. NDC Exchange gives you real-time access to your interline partners' data so customers can easily see and choose the options they want. The result? Flight shoppers get a complete view of airline products in one place. Airlines can increase upselling and cross-selling, and everyone wins. For more information, connect with us today.